Depreciation recorded.
Check.
Impairment indicator reviewed.
Check.
Provision for income tax included.
Done, bro.
What about deferred tax on revaluation gains?
What extra tax is that?
So deferred tax is a concept which majorly emerges because of the fact that there's difference between tax base, what the tax authorities are recording, what they are having their own set of rules and all that. Every jurisdiction has their own set of rules, and we have got accounting rules. We follow IFRS standards and all, and according to that, we will calculate depreciation. We have our own ways of calculating our taxable profit. They have their own ways of calculating taxable profit, and sometimes there's differences between their profit and our profit, and their tax and our tax, therefore creates a deferred tax asset or a liability. Now obviously if there's a reduction in our future tax that is to be paid by us, it is a deferred tax asset for us, while if it is not a reduction, then it is a liability. Now let's understand it via an example. So I've just purchased a PP and I am, that's around $10,000, while my tax authorities have got it for they have valued it around $7,000. Okay, they have not recognized the entire $10,000. Now, of course, the depreciation will also be charged based on that amount. Okay, their depreciation will be smaller, our depreciation will be a bit higher because our value is a bit higher. And higher the depreciation, lesser the profits. So their profits will be higher compared to ours, and as a result, the tax will be higher, and that creates a deferred tax liability.